Hey guys, welcome back to the Untitled channel. Today we are going to look at this. This is the Vivo with a small V. That's their styling. This is the Vivo V19 smartphone. The device has been available for purchase here in Kenya, at least for the last 2 weeks. I'm recording this at the end of July, so that's what I'm working with. It was launched here in late June, and it's going for 41,000 shillings. So let's get to see if for that much you are getting some value for your money. As you can see from the packaging here, we have a dual camera setup on the front, which if you've been reading our blog, in the past Vivo has said is a first for their brand. And as the packaging hints, this is the Gleam Black color model. I understand that there's also a sleek silver color option available, so you can look out for that if you're interested in this device. For now, let's cut inside and see what Vivo is offering the Kenyan smartphone buyer right now. So that's one. This here. Yes, so here is our Vivo V19 box. Doesn't appear like there's any other tape, so let's go right ahead and see what we get inside the box. Good, now that we are in, we can keep this away. So here is how it looks like. Hope you can see that very well. Let's go in. Okay, so we have this. Let's keep that aside. And then we have the device itself. Paperwork. Yes. Keep that aside too. Let's go still inside that barrier. So here is your charging brick. This should be what makes it possible to have what Oppo calls dual engine fast charging, which should be able to take the V19 from 0 to 54% in half an hour. Yeah, so and here we have our earphones. So that tells you there's a 3.5mm headphone jack on that device. So now that we've looked at all of that, let's keep it aside. Let's come back to the main man. So here is our device. This is the Vivo V19. Let's get this thing off. Ooh, okay, sorry about that. This looks familiar. We've seen this in our reviews. A lot of the techno phones we've looked at in the recent past actually have a similar look and feel. That's from the Common series, and yes, I think also the Pouvoir 4 that we looked at also has a similar look, so this is not a stranger to you. And also the Oppo A92 that we've looked at recently, the same. So if you can see, that should be hard to see, but if you can see here, we have your two front-facing cameras. One is a 32 megapixel shooter and the other one is an 8 megapixel shooter. And then at the back here, we have an array of 4 cameras. One is a 48 megapixel shooter, then 8 megapixels, then we have a 2x2 arrangement, and there is your LED lighting. Down here you have your USB-C charging, 3.5mm headphone jack, your speaker, and then here is that 6.4 inch Full HD Super Amoled display. The model I have with me, other than the color option being green black, also has internally 8 GB of memory and 128 GB onboard storage. So that's what we are working with here. And of course, once you boot up this device, you'll be able to go straight into Vivo's own version of Android, which is called FunTouch OS. Last time I checked. Yes, so that's all you get on this device. Let's see what we have in the small box inside the box that we've just put aside a few moments ago. Put that aside. So here we have our SIM tray ejection tool and some manuals, and then Here is that cable for charging and data transfer and what have you. That should be all from the box of the Vivo V19 smartphone. Thank you for watching. Please make sure you subscribe to the channel for more unboxings that we look at in days to come. Thank you.